Sickness is not hobby. We fight diseases with these small things. Lemon. If a woman suffers, how do you call it, menstrual pain, what is medicine? You take hot water like tea, hotness, no? Then you grind lemon. You grind garlic. You mix with it. Then you add lemon. And you add activated charcoal to it. Then the woman takes it. Give the woman 1 hour, vanish. They can't activated charcoal. Charcoal prepared from any edible plant. Akutu, mango, neem tree, ne charcoal, jabidie. Powerful medicine. Now you say jabidie medicine. Hey, ya den kwansi wa na fridge no ni ho no. Ya den kwansi wa na ebu bidie atum. 1 week in kwanem pro, ya say bidie no eye adsorptive. When we say something is absorptive, it can attract poisonous substance into it. It will not enter into any absorptive. Absorb just a bit so kuno, but absorb just a chenetare ho. To the whole West Africa, the whole world, upeni pe kita white, the most white teeth here. Yen. If it's a sabe near the charcoal the tricky yes, charcoal the body to yes, say fe. So 2 doctors from America came to do research here. Now I'm person who didn't hear yes the whole world, West Africans. And no who say because you used to takocha, sapo, any children stay so could be and a charcoal abrofono. There's a whole document on it which has been published in a renowned health journal in US. Abrofo 2 American professors. It omo pewe bia, omo be package children steak, any takocha, edi akwa brocha mo yusu. To the whole world, West Africans, Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, and others. Yen yesi efe, and yesi strong. The retention of our teeth is 99.8%. We can grow with our teeth because we use takocha, chewing stick in sokoduya, and charcoal. And then I see a near BNT Piagunchain. And now fake toothpaste from China, fake toothpaste from Jamaica, Malaysia, a gukrum. We need to choose an assassin pro because Ghanaian FSO co school. I dear be a yanko pon the Chinese be useless. Or copy a white man. That is why we are suffering today. But as a Duncan Yankopon says, school Yanko Bianca Bahaya Kakra. And non chess, Menko practice idea Bekumisa. So I go the African way. I use chewing stick. I use charcoal to clean my teeth. Maybe charcoal them the brush in the bone of the tree. When we more that, today a lot of people are suffering from bad blood. Or Casapane and Lumbo. MP minister Obia because of what we are eating. A ferment to yam to a casapana pie, and we don't use some of these things. It's lemon, a glass of warm water with 1 lemon. Chibum na no had here. What that was so Obika Tro say a bear will say the person is a liar. It helps the system. So charcoal, lemon, dandelion, then moringa, the next one. Moringa tree no bebre will be. What do you want to run on one? Tetelenum. Open soil and the powder. We dry it in a room and put sunshine. And you are dry no, there no be a ceiling fence. So dry no one can blend it. What's a teaspoon? Now they go warm a glass of water. No one nom. Obama, why yes as well week or taking moringa powder for the next 2 weeks here. Massa, matas and crema. Nyame de chaye, minim bronibia. Udu Medina, Medina Estate in front of the Action School, Lady Biton Health Products or Kobusano every month. What the moringa powder 10 million worth. Emmanuel White Lady Bill America. The white lady came to Ghana and was suffering from diabetes, and the lady gave her moringa powder. After taking the moringa powder for 1 month, the lady realized that there was sharp improvement. She went back and requested more. Now the diabetes is no more. She now prescribed it for a lot of people who are suffering from diabetes there. What saw improvement? So now, no, every month, the lady will send 10 million and they'll bring down the money. Moringa powder. It's here, every house. Those days in Volta region, when a dog is giving birth and it becomes difficult for the dog, they will mix moringa, give it to the dog. After 5 minutes, Volta region. So they call it magic plant. Every house they will plant it around the house. They were using it for BBR. You go to northern region, that is what they use for their food. They use it for tosafi green. And my way is strong. Not this chemicalized food. You say fried rice, chicken. The chicken coming from Abrochi is poison. That is why Professor Kosa, this document, Daily Graphic, Friday, October 5th, 2007. What did he say? Was say I will ban turkey tail. Professor Kosa, when I become a president, was already president. I already can't ban a turkey tail. Fat content is 30%. Poisonous. When they hatch the egg, yeah, they will now inject the egg with growth hormones. After 1 week, the fowl is like this. Ye bono a drobi, ye the one any 1 week, you know what to say. For commercial purposes. Now the chemical near the injected, no, it can easily settle in the tail. Where there is enough fat, I want to settle. So the chemicals will go and settle in the tail. Where the fat is more than 30%. So when they kill the fowl, the turkey, they will now cut the tail and send it to West Africa. Monye na monye. Mona mupe bibiawu. And pound some of the buy when you get to Sawam with the yam. Now the most dangerous aspect of it is they will dye it with color. That thing is not good. Then you dye it with color. And the yam too, you dye the yam. Nobody is talking. So was it last week when the Food and Drug Board came out vehemently on them? What did they say? Food and Drug Board so abandoned. Almost a month. And one of the Mama. That is Ghana. But I am warning to you because listen to Professor Kosa. Professor Kosa warned that diet which contain fat increase the risk of prostate cancer and therefore advise against high intake of such fatty products. The number of prostate cancer deaths in a given country directly correlates with the average total calorie from fat in that country's typical diet. According to him, the disease which affects the urinary tract in the human system mostly affect the elderly who were above the age 40. Adding the disease is the second large cause of death from cancer and in men of all ages. So he therefore advised Ghanaians to avoid consuming turkey tail and eat more fruits and vegetables. Professor of medicine, chief pathologist, when somebody dies, they take the so-called post-mortem or autopsy. They'll take a specimen of the person's body, send it to Akosa. Then he will go to lab with machines to look for what killed the person. And according to him, those who consume turkey tail, when they die, you see, say, they are distant, fresh, you know, red, dark, red. And the lab will show, say, because of the turkey tail. That's why he came out seriously that I will ban turkey tail. Ghanaians didn't understand why a doctor is saying this. It's not doctors no more fear. Omuka obi amua. Ono na ye doctor na wu a o kire de kun. And wo wusa de kun krofo ba ko ne turkey tail. E mamanfo nya prostate cancer. Prostate cancer se be ya yapa se be ma. Wo yire fefefe. Wunye week. Ne de raba ahye wo ye fa ne catheter ne de ahye wo be ma. Ko he wo magu kolebu no. Wo mo ye operation no yearly. Say express ni fra go che be ka wo ho. Etu kwa obi da list no so be 500 the rubber share the be mom you find a catheter those who are suffering from prostate cancer now young man like you 40 50 60 when you bia when you know fe near the rubber share you now o hwe ne da bia enya ya try amanfo sofa o da ya kokolebu excursion you will like it etu ono no ya doctor no and wo usade we mo ayen wo se bebrebe nyina no you could see say they are making kakwa nyina ye aduane amekasa meka amempon ne enti there was this Kevin Trodo waka assembi and another health campaigner Ellen G. White SDF ni bi who they tell the Ellen G. White ka was through wrong habit of eating our appetite has become perverted. Our appetite demands food that impairs health and causes weakness instead of strength. The disease and suffering that everywhere prevail are largely due to popular errors in regard to diet. Grains, fruit, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. Oduma kuma ade odema say ye ni more e fruits nut atadwe mo ne cashew nut mo grains brown rice mo ne ade vegetables, any vegetable that you can imagine, including sabolai, jelly, very powerful for the body. And no na nyankopon si yendi etumi na nanu mu otumi twi mako no de sabolai bebre tomatoes no de kenam kakra no de dinaduame wawie aduane ne ye 80% raw because the sabolai raw, tomatoes raw, pepper raw, bibia raw, apart from banku na yaka no enti aduane ne ye 80% raw, and that's what the body needs. They reduce the consumption of sugar. In our village, Christmas pet and now be no soft drink. They do Christmas as in Kwala no be answer lie. I know what is sala no I say. What they call you soft drink. What you would ya? You say I want to be caught. No, or you do also what you call the whole year and the 1 year no. What soft drink one man no Christmas. And then Kwala ko school home bagging. And nothing that Dr. Kwachua say, kids are also become diabetic. Sugar. So I don't permit my wife to give those things to my children. Oh, brother. And you maybe I'm not cut banana watermelon. I dare chani a teacher book container no the coast school. Akaho. The small boy could be home. Or sorry night here, midnight. Banana. On cat Tampico da. Because he's not been trained with Tampico. What you train the child with? And when you me dey training me ma pa ba me favor he wani baje me hada koto chocolate me jagu center table so omo fada because they've not been trained. Me to fruits, banana, orange na sense mo mo ko school, so they always use the children as example. So since they came to the school they don't fall ill, and now we want to follow the world. Akwada keto afa na wo body ne head o ko school Tampico chocolate toffee aye bag ne ma e do so che books no. No, it's very serious. Oh, I was here the patapasuya dibi. And your system on that enti elenje watitio was this food prepare in as simple and natural a manner as possible are the most helpful and nourishing. They impart a strength, a power of endurance, a vigor of intellect that are not afforded by a more complex and stimulating diet. Persons who have accustomed themselves to a rich, highly stimulating diet have an unnatural taste. It will take time for the taste to become natural and for the stomach to recover from the abuse it has suffered. Then you listen to Luigi Conaro. One also say the body could cure itself if the individual corrected his daily habit of eating and living. This is the key to longevity. Whatever pleases the palate must agree with the stomach and nourish the body, or whatever is palatable must be equally wholesome and nourishing. It is impossible to be a perfect doctor to another. A man cannot have a better doctor than himself. We don't allow the world to deceive us. If we are saying penfaso, omu peska, asemo obeka obechi watum. Yen kwatitela no ne ade yen hwe say ye den na nkofo mbobom agi. Omu nyini sa. That's a simple question. Enya magic. They check their diet. Apart from say who did natural food no, me wani say who did after sex. Edu ba bia ye nyame adwuma no, ya na ye yakoye say ye kwa asore ya mpontem. Oh, say maba hai, me free ha, me program time asunti me start program on my FM. Me pon 6, Manisha Makati Hill Pentecost. Omu busa omu question na me pon na about 10. Me pon ade asami ni di. Full stop. I will eat. Go and ask your grandmother, say, a boss says I know mudidia. A boss says now kwakoto vegetables, yes, ideas are bonus friako. Okasa me to oil, yes, ideas are go. In my village, a boss says I want fufu. Yet say we draw your pine. Yabakaso aye jibo, bo, we are before. No siya bona for before. It emo says no bia when a after sex, they don't sell palm oil. They don't sell vegetable. After sex, no sales of anything that will help you to cook. They were using that to control night eating. Medical research actually say, who did this sex here? The food doesn't digest because the body cannot release the enzymes that the body needs for digestion. So after sex, the production or the release of enzymes in your system comes to a halt. So after sex, no eating. What is happening today? 11 fried rice and chicken. 12 o'clock fried rice and chicken. Eti amasa besebe yadeɛ bi doctor no bɛyɛ oh obi bɛka sɛ doctor ahwɛ me system mu a wɔhunu hwee wahwɛ me mogya mu a wɔhunu hwee ɛnso me yare. The next one, ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. Fatu trimusa. Eti dia me nana no ye ne se wo wahina. Okonsu ogum. Na egu ahina no anu ankasa na kye na ye cold no anom na ade ye. Ye nche no. Eno ni cold water. Ice. When you free the man guna na ne John nyire ho ye ne ya. Medical research say a cold system mu a shrinke blood vessels no. A shrinke no. It for some minutes na moja ntimi move. When it continues that way, it will affect the blood circulation and you are preparing your system to stroke and heart attack. Ice water. Ice water. The money a dangerous kura say ye de gu sa sachet num na wi aboso a the chemicals in the sachet will leach into the water. That one to another trouble. So your grandmother will put water in a pot. Ehina no abua so. Ye punu mu. Ye de abe ewura gu jam na de abua so na bam mefe. No de so na gum medicinal. Ena hede ye sachet water. Professor Prempomboate prove Ghana Standard Board for nyina proof say sa rubber na ye de heat gum no ye de niam gum wi aboso a chemical bi wo rubber no beba nsuo num beba duane num it will affect you. It is a polythene no rubber no anopa na ya to kokoni asagum ne achecha na ye se nufuo no no ofe obo nsambe be ma bi kita ne bag kama ehwe ho na subia be kokko ehyem kokko awaje ahyem eti heat no ebema rubber no poison na leak aba kokonum eti Professor Prempomboate ma warning say people who do that should stop because you harm your system. Ye nananom anya saa okoto duane atiagu anwono mu no ye duro eti aduane hiti koma na twe abam eating and curing your body of disease anwono mo yes civilization on baby lead yeko China for na yes smart say what their tradition says they will never change it despite technology. It in China they continue to use chopsticks to eat at na China for ntimi but they use chopsticks. Yet they see any be a penalty of boy in a jato chain. Near Kofani Bekuyan. Angono money at the Chirebiano. It's medicinal. So when you put hot food in it here, not medicine. Our people were clever. They were health minded. It's not yet they saw a mobile. Obano mankind by the body on sensene. Now what you track scientific research your proof say. By the cover no, mankani cover no, medicine wom. It won't one as na atwea koduanum. It wo mudi kan no awiasa no mo hwane ho. Na eduro na wura duane mu dada. Nigeria do mo sensene a, wo mo ntu ni wura ne mu no ma ahohoro ho. No ma ablende, no ma yende, ye de aka eba. Ye de yetugu. You see it? Our grandfathers were wise. That was why they were strong. Strong. You can live more than 100. Kumasi Adum, I was staying in the house with a man. The man was 90 years and gave birth to the last one called Kojo. There be an boys in Huru boy no. O papa kokora obe wu ajaw. O papa kokora obe wu akokora ba. Na ire no so obi o 90 years no aware 40-year-old woman. One na anyem Kojo. Ya wo Kojo. Enkwada di akokora ba o papa be wu ajaw. Kojo enyini ye. He came to Legon. Computer before their father died. Old man, ne bana nyini beto no. Eduane no mudini. Nyame ache ya de. Yesi ebema abrofo dada ya. Na se kwa de research bi beto me kan me stress World Anti-Doping Agency. Omo president e Jacques Rogue. What ade bi ode baaye. O say Sebastian Olympics game Africans no they perform. Obo so mu tumrika na Jamaica ni di kan. Oh na Kenya ni toso. First, second, fourth, you know, Africans. Those in the diaspora in Africa. Jamaica 43. Odi ani pa na Kenya ni toso. And I say enkofo we dey America too omo ye good sa. Omo tumrika omo mre. Omo mre ye ntiase. And almost started some more research. I find it out so why. Because African yes come ni wo hia na de ba America to dia. E so say Kenya fo yi. Omo yo mutiti sa yon. Long distance. Wudi agomba to akoma. Ti Kenya ni ba na Jamaica ni to aso. Africans now Olympics game